Hi, I'm Steve Wright, and this year we're taking our post-16 education resources online. It's a mix of films, interviews, opinions and real-life stories to create critical thinking opportunities for students to access when it suits them best. I'm delivering staff training via Teams from our base here in West Yorkshire and busy creating new work on, amongst other things, homophobia, Black Lives Matter and post-lockdown mental health. On subscription, you'll have unlimited access to all resources, no obligation to renew, and you will receive new and updated resources as we create them.